Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. Well, if you can remember clearly, in one of my previous videos I said that I like a quiet environment, a village environment. So this holiday season I decided to come and visit my brother's family in the countryside. So because it rained yesterday like crazy, we have to dry here. So this is where we collect our water. So we have to dry this place because when there's kids or where there are kids, we have to be in a dry environment or a clean environment. So we have to make it dry. Then we can now collect our water. This is where we collect our water. When there's rain, we collect and then we use the water for other purpose. So if you're in Kenya or you've ever been to Kenya, in the eastern side of Kenya, as you know, this time we have mangoes, and where my brother stays, there's lots of mango. So in this compound that we stay, we have 3 mango trees. One almost at the gate, and then another one. Then just near where we are, we also have another one. So we have 3 mango trees in the compound. So in short, in Machakos County, Ukambani, and most people say that in Ukambani, it's dry. But as you can see, right now it's rainy. We have lots of green environment. We have vegetable, so there's no problem for that. We also have mangoes. So the first thing I do when I wake up is to ensure that the utensils are clean, to ensure that everything are well clean or well prepared. Avoid the utensils. Then to prepare breakfast. So this is porridge for everyone in the family. So we take porridge or tea, but for everyone to take it, so we prefer porridge for because we also have kids. So I think the only convenient thing or the most thing that we prefer is we prepare porridge for everyone. After taking porridge for some time, we go to look for ripe mangoes in the tree. So as you can see, we've gotten some. We wash them, then we eat. Kata. Mm. Mm. Wow, delicious. So I'll take you around a bit for you to see some of the mangoes that we have. Apart from the ones that we have inside the compound, we have other mangoes outside the compound. So as you can see, I say that we have a mango tree also near the gate. Yeah, but also just outside the gate, you'll see some mangoes or some mango trees. Okay, here when it rains, we have sand, so you won't see lots of mud. Immediately when you see sand, it dries up, so there's no problem of mud here, even how heavy the rain is. So there's no mud here. Okay, we have lots of mango around, but don't just go around taking any mango you see. It's not good. And people here are civilized. You won't see kids plucking the mangoes without asking for permission. So I think that's why we have lots of mango here. So as you can see, just a few steps. I've just walked a few steps, and then we have one mango tree. Yeah, that's the mango tree. Another one, and it has lots of mangoes. As you can see, just a few steps. It was cut one side. It only remained with another side or another one branch, but it produced lots of mango. Mangoes are in a way that you can just pluck as you walk. Yeah, they only get ripe in when they are green, so you can't know which one is ripe or which one is not. They're usually green. Then after a few steps again, we have another mango tree. As you can see, you can see from afar the mangoes. Yeah, that's the mango tree with the mangoes. So here there's lots of mango. Just if you want mangoes, or if in your compound you don't have mangoes, you can just seek for permission, and you can just inquire from the owner. Then you'll be given permission to take. Don't take when you have not asked or you don't inquire from someone. There's another one. Even small trees produce mangoes. As you can see from afar, there's one mango that is ripe. So you can just go. Let me go show you one that is ripe. So you can see this one mango here is ripe, ready for eating. Okay, I've already eaten, so I'm not. I do not want to eat a mango right now. Okay, when we go forward, we also have other two mango trees. As you can see, this one is one. Although this one, it was recently fenced. As you can see, it was fenced. So these one are inside someone's place. Although it's in someone's place, if you go and ask for permission to pluck it, you can be given permission just to pluck, because it hasn't been fenced fully. It was fenced in a way that you can pass. There's a gate that was left somewhere. So those are the two mangoes. Also from inside that building, we also have other mango trees. As you can see, this one and the other one, the red ones and the green ones. Two mango trees besides the ones that are near the road or near the way. So this is just a few steps from the compound that I stay in. So if you go further, you meet another road that will take you to the marketplace. Yeah, okay, I don't want to go the other way, or I don't want to go to the marketplace. I just wanted to show you some of the mangoes. Although on your way to the marketplace, you see other mango trees, but for those ones, I have no idea of the owners. But this one, I know the owners, so you can just go and ask them for permission to pluck the mangoes.